Probably heard it. AI is coming for your job. But what most people miss is this. AI really isn't the threat. The real threat is the person who knows how to use it better than you do. Ouch. I know that stings because they're not just working faster, they're thinking faster, they are scaling faster, and they're replacing entire teams with one prompt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stay irreplaceable by using AI to level up and not get left behind. I want to be clear, this isn't sci-fi anymore. IBM paused hiring for 26,000 jobs because they can now be handled by AI. 85% of first-level support requests are now handled by bots, not people. Internship offers in the tech sector, they're down 34%. Goldman Sachs estimates that 300 million jobs will be affected by AI globally. Gang, we're not guessing anymore. This is not a dress rehearsal. It is happening now. Unfortunately, the people that are being hit the hardest are the ones that are just getting started. The entry-level analysts, the assistants, the support staff, these jobs, they're just disappearing quietly. They're not even being replaced. They're just not being posted. And that makes me worried for my daughters. But here's where it flips. Because while one group is getting cut, another group is being promoted, hired, and paid more than ever. These people aren't smarter. They're not even more experienced. They just know how to use AI as a partner and not a threat. And gang, I want you all in that group. Please let me show you how. If you use ChatGPT once a week, unfortunately, you're behind. If you use it once a day with purpose, you're already ahead of 90% of the market. I think that's tremendously exciting. Here's your new rule. One task, one prompt every single day. Planning your day, writing your next post, breaking down a task into a system, drafting an onboarding doc, researching your competitors. The more you train it, the more it trains you. So get to it today. Most people still don't realize that you can create your own GPT. And I think that that's tremendously powerful. Once it's trained on that, it'll know your tone of voice, your product, your audience, even your documents. It remembers everything and it responds like somebody who's worked for you for years. And once you have that, you're no longer guessing. You're delegating. And when you share that GPT with your team, you just gave that team and your company a second brain, a powerful brain that has access all of the details. And it doesn't have a bad day. AI is best at repetitive thinking. You're best at judgment, empathy, leadership. So let it handle all of those monotonous things, the FAQs, the research, the content drafts, the first pass emails, so that you can focus on strategy, relationships, growth. You don't have to compete with the machine. You just have to know what not to do manually. Let's zoom out. Don't want to be all gloom and doom. Everybody's panicking about job loss, automation, wage suppression, and rightfully so. But here's what you have now in your toolbox. Clear Edge, Daily Habit, a tool set no one taught you in school, and you got a roadmap to stay in demand. And that is more than a playbook. To me, that's career insurance. So here's what I want you to remember. AI will not replace you. Someone who knows how to use it absolutely unequivocally will. So let's not sit by idly and wait. And just click below to see how I use AI in my workday. It's a step-by-step. I build a rhythm that keeps me sharp, scalable, and in demand. You got this, gang. Let's go. I know you all keep hearing